What's up with it, family? Welcome back to another family video. It's a beautiful day even though it's raining outside, but hey, the family is here. Business is good. We got it all started up. Got the custom fabrics. This costs about $12,000 right here. So if you want some of this, you gotta have that money to get there. $12,000 right there. Hold on real quick. This right here, this is at least $50,000. This right here, if you want some of this, you gotta have them bands. Got the custom fabric. What's this? Bruh. We got the Rolling Stones. Got the boot fabric right here for Halloween. Got some more Rolling Stones. Got some suns on there. You know what I mean? Put the light of heaven on them. And then we got some sunflowers. And then we got the TikTok. You know what I mean? So hey, follow us on TikTok, by the way. Recaptured Values. Follow us, man. If you haven't followed us, you slacking. You slacking right now. Anyway, say what's up to the fam.
What's up, fam?
Oh, say what's up,
What's
fam.
up, fam?
Say what's up, son? What's up, boy? What's up, daddy man? What's up, daddy man? What's up, boy? What you doing with your life? Hey, his hair growing back.
Yes.
You see that? See them little strings?
Look at it. Ooh. There
Man,
you go. There you
got
go.
them baby hairs on a baby.
You getting chubby, y'all. Look at this. Look at this big old belly.
Throw up the deuces, son. Say it. Oh, he kind of threw it up a little bit.
Look at this big old belly
Hey.
you got. Ooh, he likes it when you hit it.
Yeah. Big bang.
I like it. I like it when you hit my belly, mama.
Big bang. Anyway, we got Evie over here eating a Lunchable. Say what's up to the people. What's that on your face? Cookie? Is that cookie?
Yeah.
What kind of cookie is it?
It's
So Oreo?
yeah.
Oh, where's your energy at? Where's your energy? I thought you wanted to make videos and stuff. Bruh. Yeah, this girl, she want to be a YouTuber and everything like that. She want her own channel. Maybe one day we'll set it up for, you know how they go.
Oh, yeah, now you want to say something.
Now she want to say something to y'all. So I'm going to bring y'all back over here. What you got to say to the family?
Hold a minute.
So we on your time?
Yeah, I'm trying to something.
So you got us held up.
TikTok.
What you trying to show?
TikTok.
What's this? What is that?
It's a game.
What's it called?
I don't know what cards.
Girl, what's it called? No, y'all gotta pay for that. Y'all want a promo? That's gonna be at least 100,000 right there off the top. You know what I mean? We is not playing no games. We try to get back to it. But anyway, Sally is growing.
It's 2.5 months old.
2.5 months. Barbarian. He is a big one. How much you weigh now?
He's at least 13.5 pounds, probably.
13.5 pounds. In the last video we shot, I was cutting his hair.
Yeah.
So his hair is growing back and he growing fat.
Yeah, it's cute though.
Basically. What's up, daddy man?
Chubby cheeks, man.
What's up, daddy man?
Put the camera up.
Oh.
There you go.
What's up, daddy man? What's up with it? Are you a little barbarian? Are you daddy barbarian?
Pat the belly.
You daddy barbarian? You daddy barbarian, man? Yes, sir. That's my boy. Anyways, guys. Ooh, I got the COVID.
Hold up. Holy water.
Man, we need it. I need a gargle with it.
I love noodles. I love noodles. I'm sure he would love noodles.
He probably would, man. I've been kind of sneaking them Starburst and
Not eating them, just chewing on them.
No.
Sucking on them, technically.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I got a tight grip on him, you know what I mean? So none of that shenanigans going on, you know what I mean? But like she said, he is a piranha and you gotta keep a tight grip on them things, you know what I mean? Titus and Cuddy, they outside chilling. What's up, Cuddy? What's up? Oh, you gonna turn your back on me? Scar, you gonna turn your back on me? All right. Anyways, business update. Like I said, what you say? Okay. Anyway, business update. Like I said, we got a whole bunch of custom fabrics coming in. Where we get them from, that's going to be like on a hush hush because we're trying to keep it exclusive and bring y'all some new stuff. And we don't want a whole bunch of people copying us right off the bat, you know what I mean? But we coming back full force, Recaptured Values.
It's happening.
You know what I'm saying? She working, you know what I mean? What you got going on?
I'm working. Well, because when we came back from maternity leave, because we hadn't been posting on Facebook, that like, you know how the algorithm just, you know, don't be liking that. So we had a little bit of slow time, and so I decided to take on a few seamstress jobs to help some people with their shop. So I'm totally booked right now, but I do have some availability coming up in the next couple weeks or so. So if you need some help with your shop, hit us up, I guess, on Facebook. Hit me up on Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook.
Yeah.
Email is recapturedvalues@yahoo.
Yeah, recapturedvalues@yahoo.com, or hit me up on Facebook or our business page, however you want to do it.
You know, YouTube videos. Yeah. Hit us up in the comments. You know what I mean?
Yeah, whatever, and then we can discuss our prices and whatnot, and I'll help you work on your shop.
Hey, we giving back. So if y'all got a whole bunch of business and you can't keep up with it, we're going to use our expertise, start up, you know what I mean? We might even have a team, you know what I mean? Anything that you have that you can't do, like I said, in the future, we might get us a team started up.
It's for sure happening. We're getting a team.
We're going to get a team started up, you know what I mean? Recaptured Values approval, of course. So y'all not going to get any janky stuff. It's going to be top-notch, top flight security of the world. You feel me?
He's trying to talk.
What you got to say?
Are you trying to be like your sister?
What you got to say?
Say hey! Hey, everybody! My name's Siley.
Say hey.
Hey.
Say hey, big boy. Say hey. You look like you're trying to poop. He about to rocket shit.
What's he doing, me?
Rocket man.
What's he doing, me? You see that? Everybody like to see that.
Yeah, he's strong, man. He got them legs. He got them Sasquatch sumos, man.
Little mustard pants on.
Looking like Tweedledee.
Say, Mama, your pants are slippery. My feet are sliding.
That man got some cheekies on him.
Yeah.
You got some cheekies on you, big boy. You got some cheekies on you, big boy.
Look at those cheeks.
What's up, man? What's up, man? What you got to say to the family? Yeah. What's up? Is that it? What else you got to say? Yeah. 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 You got a boo-boo? Do you got a boo-boo? He said
Probably.
yes.
Probably.
He said yes. That was a big head nod, so you know what that means. Anyway, we got some more stuff we got to tell you guys for the business, you know what I mean? So go on and break it down, mama.
Our next drop.
You know, drippity drip.
But it's happening July 30th. So Recapture Values, next clothing drop, July 30th. Friday, July 30th, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we have these two retro fall vibes. Super cute. Rib knit.
70s.
Yes, I love it. So, like he said earlier, check out our TikTok. We post sneak peeks on our TikTok before we post anywhere else.
Yes, sir.
And of course in our VIP group as well. But these are the cutest little bell bottoms.
Man, I wish I couldn't wear them.
Bruh.
I wish Everly could roller skate.
Man,
That
had
is
that
so
pro
cute.
puff with the circle glasses.
Yes.
Be on it.
We need to find some circle glasses so that we can offer with these.
Might have to take them to the beach.
Yeah, these are super cute though. And the little flower print that goes with it. Super cute. And we have, basically, we're doing customs now. So like we put a print online. We put a print on our website, recapturedvalues.com. Or two prints that coordinate, and you can pick from a huge list of options of what you want. We've never done this before, and we've started it about probably a couple weeks ago, and it is blowing up. So come hit us up for the customs. Yeah. All right.
Yes, sir. But yeah, family, that is pretty much it for the family update and business update. A lot of good things is happening with Recapture Values and the Smith family in general. But hey, go on and drop the fam a like, man, and subscribe to the family channel, Recapture Family Values, man. We thank you for the love and support. We're going to keep growing. And hey, that's all I got to say. So hey, we out. We are out. Peace out. Peace out. Evie, say peace out. Peace out. Sai, say peace out. Say peace out. He said, man, I am not trying to bring peace. All right, guys.